Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we are going to study an important chapter, that is circles. See, in my last chapter, that is learning curves, you have learned how to draw table and fill the values. In today's class, we will deal with equations. Circles is an easy scoreable chapter. So according to me, this is an easy chapter which helps you to score better. ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Here what I want to say is simple. If you are thorough with the equations, then you are done. So ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ನು ಥರೋ ಆದರೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಥರೋ ವಿತ್ equations. So now in today's class we'll discuss the definition of circle, then we'll discuss different types of equations of circles, and I'll also derive the equations of circles, and we'll do sample problems on circles. So in coordinate geometry we are studying circles. Very first thing, that is definition of circle. What is a circle? Circle is the locus of the point. What is meant by locus? Path traced by the point. Circle is the locus of the point which moves such that its distance from fixed point is constant. Its distance from fixed point is what? Constant. See, suppose I'll take a fixed point. This is a fixed point, and circle is the locus of the point. Locus means path traced by the point. So I'll take a fixed point. This is a fixed point. Circle is the locus of the point. Means when I take a point, this point will trace a path. The path traced is also called as locus. Circle is the locus of the point which moves such that its distance from fixed point is constant. So now this is fixed point. We call this fixed point as center. Here to here the distance is same. If the point moves to this location, suppose if the point moves to this location, here again distance is same. Or if the point comes here, again the distance is same. So point is moving from point is tracing a path. So what is circle? Circle is the locus of the point. What is circle? Locus of the point. Locus means what? Path traced by the point which moves such that its distance from fixed point is constant, and we call this fixed point. Here you can see fixed point. Fixed point is called as center. Fixed point is called as what? Center. And this constant distance from here to here we call it as radius, and the constant distance is radius. What is definition of circle? Circle is the locus of the point. Circle is what? Locus of the point which moves such that its distance from fixed point is constant. What is circle? Locus of the point. Locus of the point means what? Path traced by the point. Circle is the locus of the point which moves such that its distance from fixed point is constant, and we call this fixed point as center, and constant distance is called as radius. Suppose I'll take circle. This is a center. Say suppose I'll take a point P. Here to here, if it is 5 centimeter, I'll take here another point Q. Center to this, again it is 5. Here to here, if I take another point R on the circle, this is also 5. Means circle is what? Locus of the point. Means a point will take a path traced by the point which moves such that its distance from fixed point is always constant. Circle is the locus of the point which moves such that its distance from fixed point is constant, and we call this fixed point as center, and constant distance is radius. So circle will have two important parameters. One is center, the other one is radius. For any circle, from the center to any point on the circle is called as radius. Very important. Suppose I will draw a circle. What is this fixed point called as? Center. I took a fixed point. The fixed point is center, and I will take any point on the circle. I will take point P on the circle. Center to point P distance is called as radius. Or I will take another point, say Q. Center to Q is also radius. Radius of a circle is always constant. And all of you know what is area of circle. Area means what? This is the area of circle, means inside. What is the area of the circle? Area covered by circle is pi r square. Circumference means what? Perimeter. This is the circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. Area of circle pi r square. You have studied in high school. and circumference of circle, circumference means outer periphery, that is 2 pi r. And diameter, what is diameter? 2 times radius, double the radius. Suppose if this is the circle and this is the center, this is the center, if I draw a line, it joins two opposite points, and AB is the diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle, all of you know, and diameter is twice the radius. Or if you want radius, divide diameter by 2, half of diameter is radius. So while solving problems, all these things are required. First you should know what is circle. What is circle? Locus of the point which moves such that its distance from fixed point is constant. So circle means locus. Locus, what is meant by locus? Locus means path traced. What is locus? Path traced. So circle is the locus of the point or path traced by the point which moves such that its distance from fixed point is constant. So always the distance from fixed point is constant, and a fixed point is called as center, and constant distance is called as radius. C to P is R. If I take another point, suppose I will take a point, say here Q. What is C to Q? C to Q is also radius. Center to any point on the circle, center to any point on the circle is radius, remember. My dear students, please remember. So how to define radius? Radius is the distance from center of the circle to any point on the circle. So not necessarily this point, any point you can take on the circle, you measure center to that point, the distance will be same, and that constant distance, that is why we say constant distance. Here you can see constant distance is called as radius. I hope all of you are thorough with the definition of circle. What is circle? Circle is the locus of the point which moves such that its distance from a fixed point is constant, and the fixed point is center, and the constant distance is radius. All of you are thorough with circle definition. What is meant by locus? Locus andre enu? Path traced. What is locus? Path traced. So point P will trace a path. Path traced by the point is the locus of the point, and this point will move such that its distance from a fixed point is constant, and this constant distance is radius, and the fixed point whatever we wrote here is what? Center. So circle will have center and radius, and if they give diameter, diameter is twice the radius. If you want radius, diameter by 2. How to find area of circle? Pi r square. How to find circumference of circle? 2 pi r. Center to any point is what? Radius. Distance from center of the circle to any point on the circle is radius. Remember that. Now, I told you in any other chapter, definitions are important. Bare chapters only definitions important, but in this chapter equations are important. If you want to become thorough with this chapter, you should memorize the equations. First we'll derive the equations and we'll understand the equation, then you have to remember the equation. If you are thorough with the, always we can't sit and derive. Prati sala ನಾವು derive ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, derive ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ time waste ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is simple, we use distance formula. To derive all the equations, we use what? Distance formula. Before I go to this, let me guide you the basic. So you studied in first PUC, distance between 2 points. Suppose A is a point x1, y1 and B is a point x2, y2. I am taking two different points. So if you want to find distance between AB, you will use distance formula. What is distance formula? AB is equal to root of difference of x coordinate, that is x2 minus x1 the whole square, plus difference of y square, y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is the basic we are going to use. So please make a note of this, and this is not new to you. This you have learnt in first PUC. First PUC is tarvag kaltidira. That is distance between 2 points. What is the distance between 2 points? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. What is distance between any 2 points? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now we'll use that as basic. Now first derivation I am doing. Pay attention, and it is easy, just you should know distance between any 2 points. If I give any 2 points, how to find distance? Root of difference of x coordinate. What is x coordinate? x2. What is x coordinate? x1. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus difference of y coordinate. What is y coordinate? y2. What is y coordinate? y1. y2 minus y1 the whole square. Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is the distance between 2 points. That is a basic we used to derive equation of circle with center origin. Now we are deriving equation of circle with center origin. All of you know in the diagram this is x axis, and in this diagram this is y axis. Now this is the center of the circle, center is O is what? Origin, 0, 0, P, x, y be any point on the circle. Before you derive any equation, first you should write the considerations. So observe the diagram and write the considerations. Consider a circle. What is this? Circle. So write what? Consider a circle. Consider a circle. Further, what is the center of this? Diagram nodadu bariyadu. Observe the diagram and write it. Consider a circle with center. What is the center? 0, 0. Consider a circle with center origin. What is origin? O is equal to 0, 0. You studied in your first PUC. Point of intersection of x axis and y axis is origin, that is 0, 0. First point I wrote, I saw the diagram and I wrote. So if you want to derive any expression, first draw the diagram. So I wrote a circle. And what is the center? Origin. Origin is what? A point which intersects x axis and y axis. Now I have taken a circle. Center of the circle is origin. Then R be the radius of the circle. We are assuming R be the radius of the circle. Any circle will have radius. Radius means what? Distance from center to any point on the circle. R be the radius of the circle. R be the radius of the circle. Then P is equal to x comma y. P be a point on the circle. You can see the diagram. On the circle, I have taken a point P. You can see P be a point. P is what? XY. Be a point on the circle. On the circle. P be a point on the circle. First, we wrote consider a circle with center origin. What is the origin? 0, 0. Let R be the radius of the circle. P is equal to XY be any point on the circle. Now, observe in the diagram C to P or O to P. So, I took center as O to P. OP is radius, O is center, P is point. Distance from center to any point on the circle is radius. So now we will write this. That's why diagram is must, diagram is important. And anything if you want to derive, we derive from what? Diagram. From the figure, O to P is R. Do you agree? Distance from O to P is R. So I wrote OP is equal to R. Now OP, O is a point 0, 0, P is a point XY. Can I use distance formula? So I consider this O as x1, y1. So O is x1, y1, P is what? x2, y2. So now I have O here, I will rewrite P here. And what is O? 0, 0. What is P? xy. I call this as x1, y1. I call this as x2, y2. And what is OP? Distance between O and P. What is distance between O and P? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. What is x2? X. What is x1? 0. So I am using distance formula. OP is root of, what is distance formula? Difference of x coordinate. What is x coordinate here? X. What is x coordinate here? 0. So root of x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square is equal to R. Root of x2 minus x1. I told you x2 is x, x1 is 0. So x minus 0 the whole square plus y2 is y plus y1 is 0. Root of x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square. What is x minus 0? X. So it will become x square plus y minus 0 y square under root is R. Finally, we will rewrite or we will rearrange. So we got root of x square plus y square is equal to R, squaring on both sides, SBS, squaring on both sides. If you square on both sides, you will get square root vanishes, so it will become x square plus y square is equal to R square. So square root of whole square, if you do square root cancels, finally you will get x square plus y square is equal to what? R square. So now we derived equation of circle with center origin. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to R square. Now you have to memorize. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to R square. Memorize this. So in problems we will make use of this equation. always x square plus y square is equal to r square represents equation of circle. What is equation of circle? X square plus y square is equal to r square. R is what? Radius of the circle. Center is what? Origin. So now we are done. So what is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to r square. So the first heading, our first equation of the circle is the equation of circle with center origin. So I told you, first draw the diagram. How to draw the diagram? Draw y axis, draw x axis, and what is the point of intersection of x axis and y axis? Origin. What is origin? 0, 0, and draw a circle. Then take a point on the circle. What is point on the circle? X, y, and what is O to P? Radius. So like this you have to draw a circle. O is origin, P is point on the circle. Then as usual, after you draw this circle, center is origin and P, first you should write considerations. What is the consideration? Consider a circle. Center is 0, 0, origin, P, X, Y, B, any point on the circle. Then from the figure. So after you write the considerations, what are the three lines you should write? Consider a circle with center 0, origin, and then second point, R be the radius of the circle. Third point, P of x, y, b any point on the circle, or P of x, y, b a point on the circle. Then you should start the derivation what? From the figure. If you see the figure, from the figure, O to P is radius. Do you agree? O to P is radius. And O to P, you can apply distance formula. What is distance formula? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is the distance between any 2 points you studied in first PUC is equal to what? R. Then substitute. So we consider this as the O x1 y1 and this x2 y2. So x2 minus y2 means x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square is equal to R. Now squaring on both sides. So if you square on both sides, root of x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square is equal to R square. Now square root cancels. What is left out? X minus 0 is what? X. So finally you are left out with x square plus y square is equal to R square. I told you this you should memorize. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to R square. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square is equal to R square. Talali itkoli. Now the derivations is important, but equation is most important. Problem solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you should know this. If you want to solve any problem, first equation should be on your tongue tip. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square is equal to R square. What is R? Radius of the circle. Center for this is origin. We will take other equation of circle with center any point. Earlier we took center as origin, but now what is the center? H comma K. So now all of you know what is the definition of circle. Circle means what? It is the locus of the point which moves such that its distance from fixed point is always constant. This fixed point is center and constant distance is radius. Now I want to derive equation of circle with center any point, given point. What is the given point? H comma K. Now as usual write the considerations. What are the considerations? Consider a circle. First you should draw the diagram. What is the diagram? Simple. We will draw one circle, we will take one center and we call that center as H comma K, and we will take a point on the circle, that is x comma y, and C to P we call it as radius. Can't you draw this? So now consider a circle with center. What is the center? What is the center? H comma K. With center C is equal to H comma K. Further R be the radius. R be the radius. Further take a point on the circle. P is equal to x comma y. Be a point on the circle. Now from the figure, these are the considerations. Consider a circle with center C, H comma K, R be the radius, P, X, Y be the point. Now as usual from the figure we need to derive. Observe from the figure. If you observe this from the figure, so that's why you should draw the diagram properly. From the figure, C to P, center to any point is radius. Do you agree? C to P is radius, and I have C is a point. I call it as x1, y1. P is another point. I call it as x2, y2. So now C to P, can we use distance formula? So CP is root of, what is distance between any two points? Root of difference of x coordinate whole square plus difference of y coordinate whole square, or root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is equal to r. How to find distance between any two points? Distance ಯಾವ ತರ find out ಮಾಡೋದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ x coordinates ನ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Difference of x coordinate. What is x coordinate? x2. Here x1. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus what are the y coordinates? y, k, y minus k the whole square. Now squaring on both sides. So this is the formula. In the formula we'll substitute root of, what is x2? x2 is x minus h the whole square plus y2 is y minus k the whole square is equal to r. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, root of x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Both the sides I am taking whole square. Squaring on both sides. Square square root cancels. So what is left out? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Finally I am left out with x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. This is the equation of circle with center h comma k. What is the equation of circle with center h comma k? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Here h comma k order pair represents center and r represents radius. What is the equation of circle with center h comma k? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So now you have learned two equations. One is equation of circle with center origin. The other one is equation of circle with center h comma k. So what is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to r square. What is the equation of circle with center h comma k? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Please remember, we can solve the problems if you are thorough with the equations. We derived two equations with simple concept called distance between 2 points. If you have any 2 points, how to find distance between them? Use the formula. What is the formula? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. When I started the session, I told you we are using first PUC distance formula. What is distance between any 2 points? Root of difference of x coordinate the whole square and plus difference of y coordinate the whole square. Here what are the x coordinates? X and h. So x minus h the whole square. What are the y coordinates? Y and k. So y minus k the whole square. Now again I am repeating, if you want to solve any problem, you should be thorough and equation should be on your tongue tip. Right now we have learned only two equations. The first one is equation of circle with center origin and the second one is equation of circle with center h comma k. Let me summarize. Answer my question. What is the equation of circle with center h comma k? I am not asking you to derive, I am asking you what is the equation. I told you, memorize. What is the equation? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to radius square. This is the equation of circle with center origin. Means center hk, point xy, difference of x coordinate whole square plus difference of y coordinate whole square is radius square. So this is the equation of circle with center hk for this. Now what is the first equation we learned? We learned equation of circle with center origin. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to r square. This is the equation of circle with center origin. Now the first one is equation of circle with center h comma k I wrote. Second one I wrote equation of circle with center origin. So memorize these two and become thorough. Heading and equation, if you are not thorough, again I will be giving you standard equation of circle, then I will make you thorough with equation of circle with line joining diameters. So two more forms are there. Before we go to two more forms, first should be thorough with the first two forms. What is the first form? Today I started with equation of circle with center origin. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to r square. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to r square, or x square plus y square equal to r square always represents circle with center origin and radius r. And what is the equation of circle with center h comma k? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square, where h comma k is the center and r is the radius. So now you are thorough with two equations exactly, and we'll solve problems, simple 1 mark problems based on this. We'll take a sample problem and we'll solve. Find the equation of circle. They want you to find the equation of circle. They give center. Center is what? Origin. And radius they give. What is the radius? 5 units. So solution. First problem I am solving. Simple. What is given? Center they give. Given center. What is the center? Center is origin 0, 0. Radius they give. What is the radius they give? 5 units. I call it as r. R is 5 units. Now they want what? Equation of circle. What do they want? Equation of circle. Equation of circle with center origin. Now first you should write the equation of circle with center origin. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square is equal to r square. You no need to derive for 1 mark. No need to draw a diagram and derive it. Just remember the equation. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to what? R square. We need r. R is what? 5 units. So x square plus y square is equal to 5 square, or x square plus y square is equal to 5 square. 5 square is what? 25. We got the answer. Any doubts? So now I have done first one. Now we will go to the second one. Second question. Solution. First write what is given. Again they give center is origin. Center is origin. And they give radius. What is the radius given? 9 units. So what is the equation of circle with center origin and radius r? So required equation is x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is a required equation. So x square plus y square is equal to 9 square. What is 9 square? 81. So final answer is x square plus y square is equal to 81. So if you ask me, sir, if I write only this much, they'll give marks. Yes, this is for how many marks? 1 mark. Final answer, if you write, they'll give marks. Just to make you understand, first I wrote equation. This is a required equation. So this is a required equation. What is required equation? The equation of circle with center origin. What is the equation of circle with center origin? X square plus y square equal to r square. In the problem they give r. Substitute r, you will get it. Any doubts? Other way. Suppose find they'll give, suppose center and radius of x square plus y square is equal to 36. Suppose if they give like this, and if they ask you to find center and radius. See here, this is the circle. It is in what form? Compare it. It is in the form x square plus y square equal to r square. So center, it resembles equation of circle with center what? Origin. So they want center. Center is 0, 0. And in the place of r square, what you have? 36. R is what? Root 36 plus or minus, but our radius is always a distance. Distance is always positive. So root 36 is 6. So they want center. Center we got origin. They want radius 6. This is the other way, or this is the other type. They will give circle equation. You should find center and radius. And first type, they will ask you to find the equation of circle with center, origin and radius r. What is the equation of circle with center, origin and radius r? X square plus y square is equal to r square. R is the radius and origin is the center. Next, they want equation of circle. No, center is not origin. Center they gave. What is the center they gave? 1, 2. And radius also given. So now we need to find the equation of circle. They want you to find the equation of circle with center 1, 2 and radius 3. So first always write given. So in first problem what is given? They have given center. What is the center value? 1, 2. We call center as what? H, k. And radius is given. What is the radius they gave? 3. Radius means r. R is 3 units. Now required equation of circle. Required equation of circle. What is the equation of circle with center h, k and radius 3? So required equation of circle is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to what? R square. Or if you know, just know, today we derived. What is the equation of circle with center h, k and radius r? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Substitute. What is h? 1. X minus 1 the whole square plus y minus what is k? 2 whole square is equal to r. What is r? 3. Now it is in the form a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now this will become, that implies x square plus 1 square minus 2 into x into 1. Similarly, y minus 2 the whole square, y square plus 2 square minus 2 into y into 2 is equal to 3 square is 9. Further simplify, x square I will write, here I have y square, first I will write y square also, then minus 2 into x is minus 2x, then minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4y, then remaining numbers, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 1 plus 4 5, plus 9 bring this side, minus 9 equal to 0. Finally rewrite the answer. So simplify this, you will get x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y, 5 minus 9 is minus 4 equal to 0. This is the final answer. So here we will have a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square plus 1 square minus 2 into a into b means x into 1. Same here, y square plus 2 square minus 2 into y into 2. Right side 3 square 9, bring 9 to this side, it will become minus 9. Rearrange, first you write degree 2 terms, then you write degree 1 terms, then write constant. Next question, again they want you to find the circle equation. They told center minus 1 3, radius 2. So what is the required equation? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Second problem, what is hk? Center is h comma k, in the place of h you have minus 1. So x minus minus 1 the whole square plus y minus minus k minus 3 the whole square is equal to r square. What is r? 2 square. It will become x plus 1 the whole square plus y plus 3 the whole square is equal to 4. Now simplify this, what is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will become x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1 plus y square plus 3 square plus 2 into y into 3 is equal to, right side 2 square we have done 4. Now simplify, first write x square, then write y square, then 2 ones are 2x, then 3y, then simplify the numbers, 1 plus 9 10 plus 10 minus 4 equal to 0, or finally we have x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. This is the final answer. So now we got the equation of circle. What is the equation of circle? With center h comma k and radius are x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. If they give center is any point like this, then you have to use this equation. I hope all of you understood this. So in today's class, I started the chapter called circles, and I taught you first derivation equation of circle with center origin, second derivation equation of circle with center h comma k. Now going ahead, in my next class we'll learn some more equations. What I expect from you is simple. Please revise, memorize the equations. In my next class, you will be able to tell the equations. Once you are thorough with the equations, then problems are simple. So please become thorough with the equations and the problems what I have solved. So similarly, I am requesting you to try these questions for tomorrow. Find equation of circle with center origin 0 0 and radius 10 units. This is my first question to you. Center is origin, radius is 10 units. I want you to answer this. And next question, find the equation of circle. Center is minus 2 3, radius is 6 units. So without fail, please solve these two. Once you are thorough with these two, means you are thorough with the equations. So I will see you in my next class. Before that, what is the task given for you? Two problems. One center origin and radius, the other one center given point and radius. Please solve those two questions. I will see you in my next class. So get ready with the equations of circles and attend my next session. Thanks for attending the session. Thank you.